Hello. First of all, which software you are seeing right now? What is this? This is Excel, right? You see, this is Home tab, this formulas, right? This insert, page layout, formulas. All these are it. It means this is Excel. Now it has a custom ribbon which has two buttons, right? Now it looks like CAD software like AutoCAD. AutoCAD has a model space and layout, right? Now say I click this button, interactive drawing. It pops up a like a command prompt, okay, where you can give commands like line. Then it asks for start point. You can give say 50 comma 100 to say 200 comma 300. Line is drawn, right, interactively. You want to give another command, so circle or whatever, but it is not implemented yet. Suppose you give something arbitrarily, it will say unknown command. Now suppose you give another command, say line, but this time coordinate is say 400 comma 50 to say 60 comma 200. Another line is drawn, right? Now you say quit. That way you can interactively draw within Excel. Okay, now let us delete that. So it is interactive drawing. When you click automated drawing, a schematic can be drawn with accurate coordinates inside Excel. How? Using VBA code. So if you see here, sorry, not this one, this one is actually right. You have say AutoCAD. Inside AutoCAD you have a command loop when where you actually run a while loop continuously until you press quit, okay, and it takes your command as input. Then in the command manager you check what kind of command it is, either line, circle, or whatever it is, right? If it is quit, you say just goodbye. The you just print it. And if it is unknown command, then just if it is something else, you just message box unknown command. If it is a line or something like that, you implement the corresponding command. Say I have implemented only line, so go to line. Now you actually take inputs for the start point and the end point, and you finally make a point, right? And then you add the line. Then you create the line object and then finally draw it in the line class. So proper implementation of object-oriented programming, I have just added two classes like point and line, but with that I'm able to draw this, right? So this is the object-oriented approach of how to do how to make Excel behave like a cat, right? Now here I have implemented the line command. Similarly, you can interested to implement the circle command, other command, something like that, okay? So it is up to you. Now if you think you know VBA, specifically is Excel VBA, and you also know CAD, specifically AutoCAD, can you try this? Can you try to implement this at your end? If yes, you can show me your code, maybe after implementing the circle command, okay? You know how to connect with me, and then I can review your code. Thank you.